Why and how are we going to make networking your superpower? Well, people network for different reasons, as we've established. But when people are networking to get clients, which is particularly normal for small business owners, one of the biggest challenges they have is they're always looking and only looking for clients. Now that's okay. However, if we're only selling at everybody we meet, we have a win or a lose dynamic with every conversation. And as we've established before, if we're selling at everybody, nobody's listening. If we consider a client a golden egg, as we've said, win or lose. Instead, how about looking for people who could refer us multiple clients? People who have access to multiple people who could become our clients. And by the way, remember, we could help them as well. This then becomes a golden goose who can lay us golden eggs. Is this a more productive way of networking? Also, it's much easier because now we're going networking with a view to helping somebody else succeed as well as ourselves. And I don't know about you, but I find that a much more comfortable conversation than just selling myself. In the process of networking, we'll see later on, is you can actually develop these opportunities to find clients without selling. Now, did you know there's actually only 4 ways of getting new clients? 4 ways. Let me tell you what they are. Number 1, cold calling. Cold calling is obviously where you get those phone calls from people who you don't know and they try and sell to you over the telephone. The second way is advertising and marketing. TV, radio, exhibition stands, print media, paid digital marketing, paid social media. This is where we pay for marketing. PR, having your article or being interviewed on TV, radio, magazines, setting you up as an expert. And finally, relationship marketing. Clients that come through networking, word of mouth, referrals. And what I do is just ask yourself, in your business currently, which one is actually bringing you the most clients? And which ones are you spending the most money on? It's interesting because over 85% of people who are asked say they rely heavily on networking and referrals, relationship marketing to get new clients. But here's the thing. Do you have a system to get more? Do you have a process to get more? Or are you just leaving it to chance? I don't know about you, but if 85% of my business is coming through networking, referrals and relationships, I'd like to put a bit of a system behind that because then we can double your business and take away the chance. Networking is not slimy and pushy. It's a great way to make long-lasting life relationships where we can ultimately contribute to other people. It's about changing the dynamic of often what you've been told networking is.